Hey, welcome to Casa Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make okra soup, also called okra. It's really nice. I think it's originally from Nigeria, but a lot of countries in Africa they make this dish with some variations here and there. Yeah, it's really nice. It's an acquired taste because okra is a bit slimy. I'm using frozen okras, so it tends to be less slimy in my opinion. I think it's because of the frozen process that it makes them less slimy. And let me just show you. This soup is not very slimy, just a bit. If you eat made with fresh okra, and it's way slimier than this. So let's start, shall we? First we gonna boil the turkey wings. You can use any other meat. I chose turkey wings. The original recipe says to use smoked turkey wings. I couldn't find smoke, or the ones I found had some chemicals that I was not very comfortable by ingesting them. So yeah, I'm just gonna use raw plain chicken wings. If you want that smoky flavor, you can always add some smoked paprika, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cover them with water, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Like I said before, if you want to have this smoked taste, I put some smoked paprika and some bay leaf. Okay, now we're gonna cover it up and we're gonna cook. It should take about 15 minutes to make it nice and tender. Now I'm gonna prepare the okra. I'm just gonna slice it like here, like you see here, just like this. I'm using frozen okra. You can use fresh. I find that frozen okra has got less slime. Okay, as you can see here, I didn't check the packet well. This okra is like mini ones, like really small. So what I'm gonna do is blend it instead. Not too fine, but just blend it enough so they become smaller. It's easier than chopping them up when they're this small. It's gonna take forever. So yeah, just gonna put on a Thermomix, pulse it, and that's it. What you want, like small pieces, like it's close if it was chopped by hand. 20 minutes has passed. Let's check if the meat is nice and tender. No, the meat should be falling off the bone. As you can see, still some resistance. Yeah. So at this point I will add the dry fish. It's similar to bacalhau. You can use bacalhau. I ordered, this is some from the African shop here in Gothenburg. So authentic Nigerian dry fish. And here we go. Just put it there. Some more water from the kettle, warm, so we don't slow down the process, and voila, I'm gonna cook for another 10 minutes. 10 more minutes has passed, so altogether totally 30 minutes. Let's see the meat. Yep, that's perfect. Happy with that. Now we're gonna remove from the liquid to a separate bowl. Yes, let's cool it down, and then we're gonna pick the meat from the bone and the fish. We're going to leave the liquid here, and now we're going to go into the other part of the soup. Alright, now we're going to have 1 onion into the blender. We're going to mince it, and we're going to mince 1 pepper. It. Scrape the sides. Voila. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of crayfish flakes. It's the ingredient you will find in African shop. It's very similar to bonito flakes, Japanese product. Okay, now we're gonna add the okra, the star. I mean, one of the stars. This soup is not gonna be for everyone. It's an acquired taste because of the sliminess of the okra, but I love it. And if you blend it on the food processor, and I think if you buy it frozen, they're not as slimy as if you use the fresh ones. Okay, we are almost in the last stretch. I got also some more fish here, some more dried fish. This one I didn't cook because I'm not sure, I haven't used it before. I think it's slower, less cooking time. It's gonna cook for 10 minutes. Let me add this fish together with the meat. Here we go. Now we're gonna debone the turkey and the fish. Okay, gonna crush it so it becomes really small. Not too small, I would say like this size pieces. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now we're gonna do the fish. Yeah, just flake it off. All right. So this fish gonna go into the pot. Fish is inside, as you know, fish is very delicate. Now we're gonna add the meat and the fish. Oh, look at that. It packs a lot of protein. My kind of food. This is the kind of food it takes you out of your comfort zone because of the sliminess, also meat mixed with fish. It's unusual, but I've tried this recipe before and I loved it. Boom! Shrimps. Lovely beloved shrimps. Oh. What is not to like? And spinach, frozen spinach. Frozen spinach, as you know, it doesn't take long. So we are in the last stretch. 1 tablespoon palm oil. Palm oil to me is like that African flavor. You find it very commonly in African food. And whenever I try that for the first time, I just fell in love. In Angola they have a dish called Muhammad Galinha, which has a lot of palm oil, and ever since, whenever I make bean stew, I use it. So a tip for you. I would say another 8 minutes, and then I will serve and show you a clip of myself eating it. Alright, see you soon. As you can see, it's not that slimy. It's okay. So yeah, thank you for watching. Try it out. You will see that it's really tasty if you're into African food, African flavors, palm oil, okra, dry fish. Thank you for watching till the next cooking video. Bye bye.